Now, if you can tell, we are at Harrow on the Hill train station. We are at Harrow on the Hill train station. This train station opened in the year 1984, I think. There's so many trains that serve here. You have Chiltern Railways that go to Aylesbury Vale Parkway and London Marylebone. You also got Metropolitan line services that go to Watford, Amersham and Chesham and Uxbridge, which is what I'm going to say. You also got Metline trains that go to Central London, that go to Baker Street and Aldgate.
That's about it.
Now, I can't really remember what year the station opened in, but I think it was the year 1884, I think. But anyways, I'll check on that later. Anyways, here's my train, and I'll see you later.